Okay, so in this video we are going to see about the X-ray machine, and the problem is lower exposure, and customer told me that X-ray didn't come properly, and this one is earlier pictures, but now you can see how it looks like now. Okay, so this is a older picture and it was good, and you can see under exposure picture here. Yes, this is an issue, and they said the machine have a noise when exposed. Okay, so I'm going to expose, standby, and expose. There's no fluctuation in MA meter. You can see this MA meter. No? There's no fluctuation, but if you are setting 300 MA, it should be go with 300, and that needle goes up to 300, and it will come. And I'm opening the machine and see by exposing, and you can see the spot here. See, I'm exposing, and the spark is coming from 502 connector and 551 connector. So I think it is a loosen connection, so I want to remove these things and refix everything. So you can see 502 is loosened. So that is why it couldn't able to make a connection, proper connection with that pin, so that it was working. So actually 501 actually 501 and 502. So you can see the left here, and I'm going to resolder it and put the pin tab back to the connector. After that we'll see you can see this pin, right? So after that we'll see how it works. So this is how I have to solder. So I'm going to solder it, and now test everything and checking the nearby connections, and you can see everything. You can see the board, and you can see the connectors, and I just put the connectors back. Let's expose and see. And now there's no spark coming. That means machine is fine. But before that, we need to assure that needle is going on the proper condition. Okay, so let's switch it to the machine and see. Now we set 300, and I'm going to expose again. Expose. You saw that, right? So that needle goes up to 300, and that then will be coming back. So here's the output image, and it is my plier. And I also wanted to check with wrist or something else X-ray, but they prefer wrist, and they are taking the X-ray. They're setting 100 MA, and you can see the needle is going upward and down to 0 again. And this is how it works. And if you're a basic and you're a beginner biomedical engineer, you will be afraid of touching the X-ray machines and all. But everything in front of you, it is not a rocket science. You can just go through it. You can just you can read the machine. I mean, machines is like human beings. You can just speak to them. You can just see how it works, and if everything is okay, you will be fine and you'll be good to go. And here is output result. They're putting it in lower leg mode, but it is not a lower leg, it is wrist actually. Okay, so yes, so final output image is here, and yes, done. So leave a comment if you have any question. We'll do something else in the next video. See you soon.